Did you see recklessness? I am telling you, unity, it is the most important thing. Self-determination, it is what will get us out of this poverty. When we have unity, we can overcome anything. Nobody will open his or her mouth against Nuer people. But if we are just there fighting for the idea that Nuer should stand together as one, we are just there bragging, no, we can't make it. No, that is your brain telling you that you can't make it. People like us, we have future. People who have future think alike. Their main ideology is to liberate their people. Unlike you, we just do not care about tomorrow just because that you live in your comfort zone. Living in a comfort zone, there's a problem with that. You cannot thrive. You cannot produce anything. But if you get out of your comfort zone, yes, you can thrive. That's it.